Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Sneha Agrawal, tarot reader, numerologist and Reiki healer. So today I'm doing a journal tarot prediction for zodiac Aries. So before I start, I want to tell everyone that it is a very journal prediction, so it might not resonate with everyone. So whatever it resonates, take that advice and leave the rest. So, in this video, I'll be telling what Aries people are currently dealing in their life, what is going in their mind, and how the end of week of January from 25th till January 31st will be for Aries people. So, let's get started. What are their current energies? What they're thinking of currently? So at present, I am saying that their energies, they are overthinking a lot. Because of overthinking, they are thinking that it is very difficult and they are unable to do whatever they want. It is not possible. Somewhere I can say they are in a situation about career or growth where they have to take two decisions. There something there is two paths which they have to choose and they have to decide, and they are just confused about that and they are overthinking a lot, and somewhere they are very dicey whether it will happen or not. At the same time, I can see that they are very Aries energies are very, passionate. They are ready to do. They are not. It's not like that they can't do it. They can't achieve it. They want to do, but there is just because of their overthinking, which I can see, they are stopping themselves. So I would say that whatever the situation is, you don't have to. It's not like it's not possible. It's just you don't have to let your thoughts to कहीं ना कहीं I can say like lot of many thoughts are disturbing you, which are making you difficult to make a decision. So I would say don't overthink. You are very focused on your work. Your current energy is that you are very focused. So keep that energy. Don't overthink a lot. And let's see how the week of 25th to January 31st will be for Aries. So in this week, I can see that your energies are quite low because of your overthinking, or somewhere in the past someone has created some issue, or you had somewhere betrayed you. That energies you are carrying, and you are because of that you are unable to trust anyone, and you are thinking that it's not possible. You're overthinking a lot. Somewhere there's a lot of mood swing is happening, and you are taking a lot of time. And so I can see that this energy, this current week, I would say that you are struggling to make a decisions, and somewhere I can see some monetary, your career or finances you are thinking about. So I would say if you have to invest, if you have to invest this coming week, or some career or some financial deal which we have to make this coming week, I would say don't do that. And if you are going to deal or invest something, or somewhere I can see some monetary transaction, I would say, if you're dealing with someone, I would say ki don't, it's not a right time for you. Don't trust anyone. And time. Actually, you're already very confused, and you are actually very, your energies is very disturbed. So I would say, if you are going to make any deal, don't do this coming week, as it is not good time for you. Take time for yourself. Say, spend some time with yourself, actually, I would say. समथिंग, इफ यू आर, अगर आप किसी के साथ कुछ डील कर भी रहे हैं ना कमिंग वीक में, समथिंग इज हिडन, दैट पर्सन हैज नॉट शोन द एक्यूरेट things to you. Maybe some facts are hidden. So अगर आप कुछ इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं कमिंग वीक, कुछ मॉनेटरी, किसी के साथ कुछ डील चल रही है, तो आई वुड से कि थोड़ा सा टाइम लीजिए, इन्वेस्टिगेट कीजिए, जिसके साथ भी आप डील कर रहे हैं थोड़ा देख के सोच समझ के डील कीजिएगा. बिकॉज आई कैन सी आप ऑलरेडी बहुत ज़्यादा, आपकी एनर्जी लो है, आप बहुत ज़्यादा सोच रहे हैं, और ओवर थिंकिंग अ लॉट. सो दिस इज़ नॉट द राइट टाइम कि अगर आप किसी पे कुछ इन्वेस्ट करने का सोच रहे हैं. आई वुड से कि कमिंग वीक आपको थोड़ा सा, आपको अपने लिए टाइम निकालना चाहिए. बिकॉज यू आर कहीं ना, आपकी एनर्जी जो है, आप बहुत ज़्यादा काम की तरफ बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान दे रहे हैं, कहीं ना कहीं आपने अपने ऊपर फोकस नहीं कर रहे हो आप. सो मैं बोलूँगी कि कमिंग वीक थोड़ा सा अपने लिए निकालिए, rather than just work. Give some time to yourself, give some rest to your body as well. And if possible, it will be better if you can do meditation, because कहीं ना कहीं आप जो confusion है, आपको कहीं ना कहीं clarity जो आपको चाहिए, वो उसके लिए आपके उसके वजह से आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मूड स्विंग्स भी हो रहे हैं. एंड आई वुड से आप ओवर थिंक मत कीजिए, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है कि ये चीज़ पॉसिबल नहीं है, बट आपने अपने आप को इतना ज़्यादा बाइंड किया हुआ है बिकॉज ऑफ योर थॉट्स कि यू आर अनेबल टू टेक डिसीजन. So I hope this reading resonate with you. If it resonated with anyone, do comment below and like, subscribe and share my channel for more weekly and monthly prediction. All the best guys, don't worry, stay tuned, see you guys, bye bye, take care.